The three smallest birds in the world are 1. The hummingbird Mellisuga helenae. Size, about 5.5 centimeters to 0.2 inches. Weight, around 1.6 to 2.0 grams. Location, endemic to Cuba. Notable, the smallest bird in the world and also the smallest. 2. Esmeralda's wood Starchato circus burlepski. Size, about 6.3 centimeters to 0.5 inches. Weight, approximately 2.5 grams. Location, Western Ecuador. Notable, very elusive and endangered hummingbird species. 3. Costa's hummingbird Calyptcostae. Size, around 7.6 centimeters 3 inches. Weight, about 2 to 3 grams. Location, southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. Notable, known for its vibrant purple throat feathers.